క్యూబ్స్.
ఓకే.
ఎక్కడ హైడింగ్ చేస్తున్నానంటే ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే.
ఇవన్నీ నా క్యూబ్స్. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్, ఒకటి 2x2, ఒకటి.
ఓహో.
ఇది ఎలా పడిపోతుంది, స్మూత్ గా అయిపోయింది.
ఓకే. ఒకటి 3x3 ఏది?
ఇది.
ఓకే. 2x2
ఇది.
ఓకే. ట్రయాంగిల్
ఇది.
ఓకే. ఎక్కడ పెడుతున్నావు? ఓకే. పెట్టవా?
ఇంకా చూడు, ఎక్కడ చూడాలి. ఇది ఒక టవల్ చెప్పనా.
నైస్.
ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ ఏం చేయను? స్టార్ట్
బయట చదువు.
ఏ స్టార్ట్ ఫస్ట్
3x3 2x2 స్టార్ట్ చేయి ఫస్ట్. స్మాల్ టు బిగ్.
ట్రయాంగిల్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా. కమ్ హియర్.
ఓకే.
This is the play side.
Okay, let's go that side.
అక్కడ సన్న ఉంది.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి బ్యాక్కి వెళ్ళు. గో బ్యాక్. ఆ స్టూల్ మీద దాని మీద పెట్టు.
ఓకే. This is a triangle cube.
Okay.
I'll make some tricks in this.
Okay. Show.
Can I show some patterns?
Okay.
See here.
Wait, I'm coming closer. Okay.
Patterns, no? Now see here. I'll make, when I'll mix, no? That time it will be solved again.
How is it?
See here.
Okay.
Like this I'm telling.
Oh,
How
is it?
in fast mode I'm doing, no? Now I'll show in slow mode.
Okay.
First do like this, do like this, do like this, like this. Continuous, do like this. That's all. That time you will get the solving thing.
Okay, again you solved it. Good.
Oh.
Okay, now do it fast once again.
See here. I'll start from red always.
Okay.
Always you have to start from red.
Oh, is it? Okay. Okay.
If you start from red only, it will be best.
Okay.
See
nice.
here. Here. Like this.
Oh, you did it.
When you got it, you can also do.
Oh, nice.
Can
now,
I show?
now bring the other one.
Yeah. 2x2.
Yeah, bring 2x2.
Wait, come here. Have to start from red.
Okay, tell now.
Always we have to start from red
Okay.
and orange. No, and white.
Okay.
Both have to be here like this.
Okay.
Red and white have to be up. And red have to be at side.
Okay.
When we are seeing at tail only, it have to be.
Okay.
When we are seeing center, no.
Right.
That tail only we have to see and do.
Okay.
See here.
Mm-hmm.
First I have to do fastly. I'll show you.
Okay.
When I'm mixing, it will come same.
Oh, you did it.
See here. How to do?
Hmm.
First do like this, do like this,
Turn
do
this
like
side.
this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Continuous, do like this. Don't stop, or else you will forget it. You will forget the moves.
Okay.
Always you have to remember the moves. You have to do continuous.
Okay.
You cannot stop one time also.
How is
Now
it?
I stopped, no, because I remembered. That's why I stopped
Okay.
to tell.
Uh-huh.
Now
So now do it once again, fast.
I'll fit to.
Yeah, no, not required. Yeah, do it fast. Oh my God, you are doing very fast.
Now
Oh, you did it. Show it once. Nice. Okay, now bring 3x3.
if you got the cube set,
Mm-hmm.
when I get, I'll learn also.
Nice. Now, what is this?
3x3. Always
Why it is called 3x3? Go
Because-
back little bit.
because three all they know.
Okay,
Three.
three cubes are there. Okay, on each line. Mm-hmm.
Look, on each line, 3 pieces are there. That's
Okay.
why 3x3 it's called.
Okay, nice.
Always we have to start like this only.
Okay.
Because 2 by 2 also we did same, no? Like that
Yes.
we have to do this only.
Okay.
Same moves I'll do. See
Okay.
here.
Mm-hmm.
First I'll do fastly.
Oh.
This one is little hard because it's old one.
Oh, okay.
Still I'm using.
Okay.
See,
Put some oil in it otherwise.
Cube oil మనం కొనుక్కోవాలి.
Okay.
Cube oil if you want means you have to buy.
Okay, you have to buy cube oil.
Did you see how it came?
No, show it once again. Little faster.
This one is not working. It got mixed, no? All.
Oh, oh.
Now I'll show one more trick.
Got it, man. What is this? This is a pattern.
No, I'm making one pattern.
Okay.
Nice pattern.
Nice pattern. It's really nice.
See here. Nice, no?
Nice, yeah.
All the if we do it, always you have to start at middle only. That time it will come like patterns also.
Okay.
Same like 2 by 2. How I did like that, like this and like this I did no.
Okay. Go
That
back.
one same like 2 by like this and I did wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Same like 2 by 2 I have to do.
Okay, nice. Okay, next time what pattern you will try?
Only we have to use this middle only.
Okay, nice.
Okay?
Okay, thank you for showing. Thank you. Have a good
Can
one.
I show you one yo-yo trick also? Yo.
Okay. This is your yo-yo. Oh. Okay. Do you catch it back?
Yeah. First I whoa. Why my yo-yo guys like this? First you have
Okay.
to, if your yo-yo is like this means
Mm-hmm.
that time you have to spin like this.
Okay.
Why
You have to
guys?
fold it. Huh?
Can I show you one tricks?
Yeah, please.
Say here.
What happened? You have more. Okay.
Like this. See here. Enil.
Okay. Oh. Nice, yeah. Oh. Oh. Nice. Okay. Neelan. Nice.
We will take water like this and coming back.
Okay. So that like
How
that you are
we will
doing.
take means we will pull this.
Okay.
It
You
will come
pull
back.
and it will come back. Okay. Oh, nice catch. Once again. Who taught you all this?
I only.
Oh, nice.
Nice yo-yo tricks now.
Yes. Now say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and like this video.
Like the video for more videos.
Yeah.
Thank you.